gardeners, growers, anywhere, everywhere, wherever you are. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Real Life Gardening. Okay, so in today's video we have a little update. Not good, but I'm gonna share it with you guys anyway. My seedlings are dying, y'all. They are dying, and I do not know why. I don't know what I'm doing differently that I did last year. The same soil ingredients. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. And it's getting me a little discouraged because I want a garden this year. And last year it was good. I had tomatoes, I had peppers, I had peas, I had collards, I had flowers, but the stuff is not growing this year. Maybe it's, I don't know. Maybe I'm overwatering or I'm paying too much attention to them, but yeah. So far this is what it is dying. I had planted these. I don't know if I did it on camera or not, but yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys what's going on right now. So be right back. Okay, so in this one here, this is a new one. I did not show this on camera. I just did it behind the scenes. But we have some cabbage here. This is stuff I seeded. I newly seeded. I have some spinach. I know I'm supposed to direct sow it. I have some outside growing, but yeah. I have some Alyssa onions, tomato pineapple. I have some collard champion. I have some Cali Wonder bell peppers, and I have moringa here. Okay. Okay, and here I have some more collards. These are the Vate collards, and I have tomato. These are my Roma tomatoes right here. These are all newly seeded right here. So I'm just going to cover that back up. Okay, so for this one with the grow lights in it, we have dill. We have 2 okra that just sprouted. We have nasturtiums. I know, direct sow. I have amaranth. I have coleus. I have tomato cherrylicious from M.I. Gardner. I have tomato gobstop. That one, all 3 of them died. So now I have to reseed them. I already reseeded them. I got to put vermiculite on the top. I have these are peppers. These are Elma paprika peppers. I have cayenne peppers. I have broccoli here. These are all newly seeded. I have kale. I have blue magic kale, and I have lacinato kale there. Those aren't looking too good. That's blank. I have goji berry, and I have fenugreek here. So that is that. That is how they are looking. Get more up close and personal. So there's that. The only thing that sprouted here that I've newly seeded was the gobstoppers, and they are dying. So on to the next tray. My next tray here I have right here under lights. Okay, so I have some beefsteak tomatoes that's leaning. That one's gone. Look at it. I have some Georgia collards, which has a whole lot of, I see what the issue is. I'm overwatering, y'all. I am overwatering because look at that. I have a cherry tomato, ground cherries. I have this cabbage, all seasons. I have some collard vates there. I'm definitely overwatering. I can see it now. I think that is another cabbage right here. I have a pomegranate. This is a mystery seed. And that one is tomatoes. What kind of tomato? It is a beefsteak tomato. So I have 2 beefsteak tomatoes. So I definitely see what the issue is now that I'm looking at it. Because look at all of that. and this one. And it's only for the collars. It's only doing it for the collars, but nothing else, which is weird. But yeah, I'm gonna put some air on them. I'm gonna turn this fan on and I'm gonna put that out there. But for outside, I have these coming. My onions are fine. My pepper, broccoli. This is Red Giant mustard greens, broccoli rabe, Hungarian wax pepper. This pak choy is gone, but it has a middle. I have this pepper here. Now I don't, it's a Hungarian, I remember. I'm gonna let them get some sunlight because today's supposed to be in the 50s. I have serranos, Brussels sprout gone, broccoli. I have this pak choy and this California bell. So that's what those are looking like right now. So I think what I am going to do is I'm going to reseed all of the ones that look like they're dying or pretty much don't even have the cotyledonous leaves, the first leaves that pop up. I'm going to reseed those and try again, because according to my seed time app, it says that I should start them on the 26th. Today, watching it, it is January 28th, so I still have time to be able to plant it and get a harvest, because we have like 225 days of growing season. Our summer is pretty long, but it's really hot. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to reseed them and try again, and then we'll see. As for everything else is still in their rest phase or in their dead phase. There's nothing going on. My onions look horrible. They look horrible. Except for these. These are fine. Right here. Those are fine. But what is this? Something is growing in here, y'all. I think it's lettuce. Is it workable? The soil is now starting to soften up, so that's good. I have spinach here, which is why I said I'm not worried about the spinach in there, because I have spinach starting to grow in here. And I got this from the Dollar Tree, y'all. This is just one of them storage cubes, but I have spinach sprouting in here already, and all of these is just dead and gone from the winter. Here I have some what is this? This is chamomile. I have 2 chamomile plants. This lemon balm is gone, but I'm still gonna keep it to see if it revives itself. I have an onion growing here. That's an onion. I have a garlic, 2 garlics and onions in there. They don't look too good, so I might just pull it out. And then I have cilantro right here. And this was a celery that is gone. So yeah, that's gone. So yeah, you guys, that is what is growing on in my garden for right now. I'll show you guys the winter, my winter sowing. I don't think anything is germinated. I'm not expecting it to germinate because it's still a little bit cold. Even though the temperatures is reaching the 50s now, we're still gonna have a little bit of cold days going. But yeah, this is the winter garden. I put a bulb in there to see what would happen. It sprouted. I don't know what kind it is. My neighbor gave it to me. But this is what the winter sowing is looking like right now for all my flowers and my herbs. Nothing has sprouted yet. Like I said, I don't expect it to. I just wanted to show you guys what it is looking like. My mom is gone. And then over here, earlier in the year, I had planted some bulbs. I can't remember which bulbs I planted, but as you can see right there, they are sprouting. They are starting to sprout. But I'm gonna clean this area up. Hey, Thor. But yeah, you guys, everything in the garden is not sweet. Sometimes things won't grow, and it's okay. You just keep on keeping on. Just keep planting, keep growing, keep sowing, and one day it will grow. Just try to find the reason why it may not be doing what it's supposed to do. Fix the issue, and then see your results. But I just wanted to get a little update. This is a short video, so yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next update, hopefully with some better news. So I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you can be notified every day, every time I upload a video. So keep growing, guys. Bye.